Our topic for today is about Windows. So introduction to Windows tayo. Honestly, the title of your lesson is Introduction to Windows 7. Yun talaga ang inyong lesson. But, yun nga, as of October 2021, so that's last year, the most recent version of Windows for PC and tablets ay Windows 11 na. So, as we move on with this topic, sa tingin ko, ang dapat na ituro ko na sa inyo, instead of Windows 7, dapat ay Windows 10 na. Ayan. Right? Pero yung ano, let's see. So let's continue na, no? Right. So, tandaan niyo po ba yung components of computer? Yung merong mga wares? Ano yung mga 3 components of computer? Uy.
Ano po, sir?
What are the 3 components of computer? Yung merong mga ware.
Hardware, software, peopleware.
All right. So yun ano, tama. Hardware, software, and peopleware. Ngayon, sa computer system kasi, just like any other system, hindi gagana ng maayos kung kulang ang components nito. Okay? Again, the computer system will not work properly or it won't achieve its goal if any of its components is missing.
Namatay.
So let's say kayo, so you are the student, okay? So here in this image, you're the one who's using the computer. So you're the peopleware. Okay, tama? Tama? Di ba? So kayo. So anyone who's using the computer is the peopleware. And then, you have a computer at home, which is the hardware. So meron kang monitor, keyboard, mouse, and the system unit. So that's the hardware, okay? So, ano lang kailangan mo? So what do you need now?
Software.
Ano? Anong ware?
Software po.
Alright, there you go. Software. Okay? So para gumana ngayon ang computer system, you need the 3 components: hardware, peopleware, and software. So kung meron kang hardware, ikaw yung peopleware. Kung wala ka namang software, hindi mo magagamit ang computer. Right? So pagbaligtarin natin, ano? So what if meron kang software, ikaw yung peopleware, wala ka namang hardware, sa tingin mo magagamit mo yung computer? Yes, no?
Hardware po. No.
Yes or no? No, di ba?
No po.
Kasi wala kang hardware. O so last natin. Halimbawa, meron kang computer, meron kang software, pero wala ka naman, wala ka sa paligid ng computer. Sa tingin mo ba gagana yung computer?
Hindi po.
Hindi rin. Kasi nga, wala yung user, wala yung peopleware. So, kailangan laging kompleto yung 3. The peopleware, the hardware, and the software. Okay? Pero, before you use the computer, or before you use any programs on your computer, it is important to learn first about the operating system. Okay? So we tackled before the operating system. Ating nung tayo nagtatakal up ng components of computer, no? Yung meron tayong software nga, peopleware, and hardware. So operating system is a software. Okay? So the definition is, operating system is a collection of special programs. So ibig sabihin, maraming programs yan. A collection of special programs that supervise and control the operation of other programs in your computer and the use of devices connected to it, kagaya ng printers, hard drives, webcam, and other peripherals. So yung computer system is the one responsible for controlling all of those peripherals that are connected onto your computer. Okay? So kung walang OS, OS nga pala, OS means operating system, okay? So yung mga acronyms ng computer, kapag na-encounter nyo yung tinatawag, yung pag sinabing OS, it means operating system. Alright. Let's continue. Lumapit lang ako ng konti.
Bakit? Hindi kayo nagising naman.
Alright, so ito na, no?
Ayan.
Pasok ngayon tayo sa Windows 7. So, sa inyo kasing lesson, Windows 7 ang itinuturo. Okay? Hinga lang hindi pa napopost yung ano niya yung module niya, no. So yung Windows 7 is an operating system developed by Microsoft. And this became available on the 22nd of June, on the 22nd of October 2009. So, ang tagal na, no? So I think mas matanda pa siguro sa inyo to. Let's say, sige, try natin si Miel. Miel, anong year ka pinanganak?
2012 po.
O, 2012, di ba? So, mas matanda pa pala si Windows 7 sa inyo. So, it was released October 22nd, October 22nd, year 2009. So, this OS, or this operating system of Microsoft, was a major shift in usability, convenience, and overall computing compared from the previous versions of Windows. Kasi before, we had Windows 97. Yun yung mga naabutan kong Windows, ano? Windows 97, Windows 98, meron ding Windows 2000, Windows Millennium, Windows XP. So yung mga yon. So those are the Windows before pa ma-release ang Windows 7. And yun nga, this is very convenient, itong Windows 7 na to, compared to those earlier versions of Windows. Kaya naman, up to now, until this year, 2022, meron pa ring ilan na gumagamit ng Windows 7. Kasi nga, napaka-user-friendly nito. Kahit even na-release si Windows 8, even the Windows 9 was released, still, some of the users or some of the people stick in using Windows 7. And then, here comes Windows 10. Windows 10 was released to consumers on the 29th of July, year 2015. And this is the successor to Windows 9. So if the Windows 7 was the Microsoft's major shift, ito namang Windows 10 is what they called the universal apps. Because the apps developed in Windows 10 or on Windows 10 also works on smartphones, personal computers, and video game consoles. So siguro, I just don't know if your phones or if your gadgets have yung mga Microsoft products like Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, pwede na rin siya ma-install sa ating mga phones. So unlike before, ng Windows 7 pa, wala tayong mga applications or Microsoft applications that could be installed on our phones. So yung mga applications before ng Microsoft, pang personal computer lang. But this time, on Windows 10, nung na-release siya, pwede na rin siyang ma-install at magamit mula sa ating mga smartphones. Okay? So I am introducing to you both Windows 7 and Windows 10 kasi nga, your module is teaching us about Windows 7 only. Since it's already 2022, and yun nga, medyo obsolete na siya, yung Windows 7, so I think it's just right to talk about Windows 10. Okay? Naiintindihan ba Windows 7, Windows 10? Understood? Okay, yes. So let's continue. Okay, so punta tayo ngayon sa ating start menu. Yung nasa bottom ng screen is called the taskbar. Okay? the bottom part of our desktop screen is called the taskbar. And then, yung nasa left bottom corner ng ating taskbar or ng ating desktop, which is nasa left ng taskbar, is called the start button. Okay? So ito yung start button natin. And once you click this, nakikita niyo yung mouse ko? Can you see my mouse pointing here? Okay, so once you click this start button, so magpa-pop up naman ang tinatawag na start menu. So ayan, so lalabas na to. So you can see the start menu once you click the start button. So you'll see different application softwares here that are very useful to you. Now let's have a closer look sa ating start menu. So you can see the button icons here at the left side. This is the left pane, okay, left pane of our start menu. Okay, this is the menu, okay? Yung 3 lines na to, this is the menu. Nag-expand kasi ito eh. Actually, this could expand. Once you click this, mag-expand itong navigation pane or the left pane, and it will show you the titles of everything na nasa left pane. Okay? Ito yung left pane from here hanggang dito sa ilalim. So this is the left pane of our start menu. Right, next is this one with the image. This is called account. Okay, account. So here you can lock or sign out on your PC. Pwede ka rin mag-switch to another account or change your account picture by selecting your image or any image that is saved on your computer. Okay, so you're just going to click this one. This account. Next, under the account is the File Explorer. So this is used to access the letters, the reports, notes, and other kinds of documents stored in the computer's hard drive. Okay, so all of the files, if you want to access the file of your files that are saved on your computer, so just click the File Explorer. Okay, click this one para ma-open nyo sila, para makita nyo sila kung nasaan. Okay, next is this one. So this looks like a gear. On your phone, di ba mayroong gear icon? Tama? So what is that? Anong title nung gear icon na yon?
Settings.
Yes. So dito rin sa ating Windows, settings din siya. Alright? So this button will bring you to the control panel of your OS or operating system, okay? So this is used, of course, to change the settings and customize the functionality of the computer. Right? And lastly, this one. So tingin nyo ano to? Meron din sa phone yan. Sa mga gadgets, meron din ganyang icon.
Power.
Yes, it's a power, okay? So that's the power icon. So when you're ready to step away for a while, or you want to shut down completely your computer, so you just click this one at the bottom of the start menu to make your PC sleep, or to restart, or to shut down completely. All right? So yan yung mga sa left pane. And ito naman part na to that has many icons over here with the titles. So there are the applications. Right? So these are the applications installed on your computer for you to use depending on what type of file you are going to create or to edit. Right? So this is arranged alphabetically. So yan, hanggang sa ilalim na yan. You can scroll it down until to letter Z. Okay, so some of commands or applications on the start menu have a down-facing arrow like this one. So which means it has additional choices available on a secondary menu. So if you place your pointer over an item here, if you're going to place your mouse pointer here, and then click this one, then a sub-menu will appear. Okay, so magkakaroon pa ng subcategories yan sa ilalim if you're going to click this one. Okay, so let's take a closer look dito sa ating power button. Okay, dito tayo mag-discuss about the start button. So this one. So once you click this one, so lalabas itong mga sleep, shutdown, and restart. Okay, again, if you click start and then click the power icon, so magkakaroon ka ng tatlong choices na pwedeng pamilian. So the choices are sleep, shutdown, and restart. Okay? So the sleep, this is used to save your session and put the computer in a low power state that you can quickly resume working. So let's say you're working on something, you have a project or you have a document that you're working with. And then suddenly, you just want to have a break. So snacks, makapag-snacks nga muna. Okay? So you're going to step away from your computer for a while. So let's say for 30 minutes or 15 minutes break. So you're just going to have snacks or maybe a coffee break, a soft drinks break. Okay? So instead of shutting down your computer, you can just put it on sleep. Okay? Just click the sleep here and then your computer will be on this state of low power. And then if you want to use your computer again, just move your mouse. Okay? Just move your mouse and then everything, your session will resume already. So mas madali mo siyang ma-resume yung lahat ng ginagawa mo if you're just going to sleep it. If you're going to put your computer on sleep. Okay, next natin is the shutdown. So shutdown, when you're ready to step away for a while, use the power button at the bottom of the start menu to make your pieces. The shutdown, of course, is it is used to close everything, to close all the programs, and then shut down the windows, and then turns the computer off. So it will turn off your computer completely. So use the shutdown. Okay. So tingin ko mas madali sa inyo maintindihan to, no, yung shutdown and restart. Restart is actually the other term for this one is reboot. R-E-B-O-O-T. Reboot. So kapag restart naman, it is used to close all the open programs. It's going to shuts down the Windows and then starts the Windows again. So yung pagkakaiba ng shutdown and restart, yung kanilang similarity, no? So both shutdown and restart will close the programs. Both of them will shut down the Windows. And the difference is, yung shutdown, it will turn off your computer completely. But restart will start your Windows again. Okay, so that's restart. It will start your Windows again after shutting it down. All right? Nangunawaan ba? You understand what I'm saying here? So the sleep, shutdown, and restart. Okay? So yung mga yon. Okay, so start menu pa rin tayo. Yan. So pag na-expand yung ating start menu, ganito yung itsura, no? Depende sa pagkaka-customize ninyo ng start menu. Alright, so the list of programs. So once you press the start button here, so the start menu will pop up, right? So we already discussed the icons at the left pane. Yan. And these are the list of programs installed on your computer. Yan. Itong naka-highlight ito. These are all the programs listed on your computer. So the list of programs is divided into two parts. Okay? Again, the list of programs is divided into two parts. Yung una niya ay the programs displayed above are the recent programs. Okay, again, the recent programs. So ito yung mga recently installed programs. Okay? While, ito naman sa ilalim, actually, nabago rin to, no? Ngayon kasi yung recent programs kasi, ito na yung mga frequently used programs. Okay? Ito yung mga recent programs na ina-access mo. Okay? And this one are all programs that are arranged alphabetically. So as you can see here, yung una is microtorrent, followed by a number, 3D viewer, and then letter A na tayo. A, access, Age of Empires, alarms clock, then followed by letter C. Okay, letter C na sunod kasi wala siyang wala siyang naka-install na program that is starting with the letter B. Kaya after letter A, letter C na kaagad na sumunod sa kanya. All right. Did you follow? Were you able to follow my discussion? Okay So, meron tayo ang natutunan today is about the Windows 7 and Windows 10. Pinag-aralan din natin yung about sa parts ng ating start menu. Okay, meron tayong yung left pane natin, nandoon ang ating mga menu, accounts, file explorer, settings, and start. The power icon. Tapos sa power icon, makikita ang sleep, shutdown, and restart. And then over here, there are two parts of list ng ating programs. The recent programs and all programs. And then tomorrow, bukas, we're going to discuss about the Microsoft applications, yung mga Microsoft products na to. Word, Excel, PowerPoint. So ito natin papag-aralan bukas. On Wednesday. So I'm going to end our lesson here sa start menu. And then on Wednesday, we're going to continue our lessons about the Windows applications. And then on Friday, we're going to have a quiz. Okay?